That tough guy over there, working with metal who's so focused? Yep, that's me. A welder. But that's not all, of course. Because when I sometimes stop and think about what I do, my work is more connected to everyday things than I expected. Like the breakfast on my plate and the coffee I sip. Sounds a bit crazy, right? Let me show you. I work at Trislot, and although it may not be obvious right away, I know that I contribute to industries that keep our world running. Whether the impact is big or small, I play my part and support these sectors in their incredibly important work. And of that, I'm proud. Step by step, we work towards the missing puzzle piece for your company. Through our global presence on different continents, we make sure that no matter where you are, we can be a part of the process. Here, we all have the same goal in mind, and that brings us together. We offer a wide range of materials and are happy to help you make the right choice. Because, hey, that's where quality starts. There you go. That's the first step. A place where we transform a simple stainless steel wire into custom-made filter elements that contribute to a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable tomorrow. And I haven't even mentioned the very latest technology we have in-house. But hey, we're not revealing all our secrets just yet. We'll save those for later. An eye for detail and precision. That's what sets us apart. And that's how we prepare for the next stage. A shared love for steel and the endless possibilities it offers us. We put in the work, but we also have fun, and it shows in the results. And that leads us to the last but definitely most important step, time for inspection. All the kilometers of wire we've processed over the past 40 years, that's the distance to the moon. I'm curious to see how far we'll go. Can we count on you to help us reach Mars?